Hi there, I'm so glad to have you in English grammar lecture. From today, we are going to just read and we are going to understand the book Wrent and Martin's and its chapters. So from today to onwards, I will complete these all lessons within 40 days, within 50 days. This one is a complete course of grammar in which you will know the new things, new change in grammar, and we will go for in detail lectures in this regard. So let us rush towards these old lectures, and today our first lecture is that what is sentence and sentence structures, and it's some kinds we are using in tenses. When we are just going to read the tenses, the types of sentences we mostly go for like a positive, negative, interrogative, and double interrogative. So let us start our today lectures. First of all, what is sentence? So if in need of this one, when we speak or write, we use words, and these words being when just coined in a groups or conjoined in a groups, we can say it's a sentence. Sentence has proper verbs, subjects, and predicate, we can say. A group of words like this, which makes complete sense, is called a sentence. There are the sentence types: empty, empty, sit on the wall, where do you live? This is the interrogative. And then come to the point is types of sentences. So there are four types of sentences. For example, first one is a assertive sentence in which we can say that any statement or any assertions, and maybe there is any information in sort of positive or negative. For example, Humpty Dumpty sat on a wall. So the another one is the interrogative. An interrogative mean in which we ask some questions. This is called interrogative. Do you live in Lodhra? Do you live in Pakistan? And in double interrogative, we can say, where do you live? This one is also called interrogative. Then the sentence type is here like imperative sentences. In imperative sentences, those which express commands, requests, are like entreats, such as be quiet in any order, have mercy upon us, like these all the sentences types. And then those which express strong feelings, these feelings these strong feelings show as is showed by like exclamatory sentences. And these exclamatory sentences, we know all that there is a feelings, maybe a happiness, maybe a sadness, maybe something else. I have a lecture on this one. If you want to just watch this lecture, first you should go for this one for the exclamatory sentences, mean how parts of speech change into exclamatory sentences from interjection to exclamatory sentences. So these are some definitions of these. Like a sentence that makes a statement or assertions is called a declarative or assertive sentence. A sentence that asks a question is called interrogative sentence. A sentence that expresses a command or an interrogative is called an imperative sentences. A sentence that expresses strong feeling is called exclamatory sentences. So this one is our today lectures. Tomorrow we will go for the second lecture, mean the subject and predicate. Thank you for watching.